Hello, my name is Brandon Moore. I'm the President and CEO of BKMpc Certified Public Accountants. The purpose of this short video is to describe our client accounting and advisory services. We believe that traditional accounting and bookkeeping services have failed to deliver value to your company. Take the next few minutes and see how we can help your company improve its accounting and reporting processes and how we can help you move beyond historical reporting to as close to real-time financial information and much-needed business advisory services. So the first question to answer here is, what is client accounting and advisory services? After we answer that question, the next question is, how does this differ from your traditional bookkeeping roles, and what value does it bring to our relationship as your CPA firm? Traditionally, CPA firm clients would bring in their documents either by mail or drop-off, which included their bank statements, check registers, credit card statements, and some other documents each month. Usually this was within the first 10 days of the month. Once accumulated, the firm would then data enter the information, and from there, through questions and answers with your staff, prepare account reconciliations and ultimately financial statements. The speed in which this occurred wasn't ideal. In fact, by the time the financial statements reached your organization, it was near the end of the following month. Not timely, not valuable. The CAS process, that's client accounting and advisory services, this process uses technology to give you control and access to your accounting records. With a cloud-based accounting system, you can connect to and monitor your transactions. We then automate certain processes to increase efficiency. The goal is to achieve as close to real-time financial data as possible. Instead of having an end-of-month relationship, we have a weekly relationship with your organization. With the increased efficiency, our monthly or quarterly meetings can be advisory in purpose instead of historical reporting. We offer a multi-tiered approach to our service offerings, from basic CAS to virtual CFO services. As an entry-level option, we can provide ad hoc service menu that will help you move from in-house accounting to virtual CFO services at your own pace. This presentation will walk through where we are now, where do we want to be, and then how are we going to get there. With most clients, where we are now is a far stretch from real-time financial statements. The statements aren't being used to make any decisions, nor should they, since most of the time they are a month behind. Some clients only have financial statements compiled or prepared for banking purposes or for bonding. They probably don't even look at them. In addition, our clients report that either they themselves are their accounting department or they have used one of their sales or executive team to help out with the books. This takes those key staff away from producing results in the organization's mission. We also found that there are no automated tasks within the system. The accounting system is disconnected with the banking, credit, payables, and receivables. This means that most of the data from those systems have to be manually entered, delaying financial data that could be important in making decisions. A key process to maintaining fiscal discipline, budgeting, and financial statement analysis is usually absent. Tax projections are after the fact, which means that what-if scenarios aren't being considered before significant transactions take place. Subsequently, the client's need for an advisor is not being met by their CPA firm. Our firm offers a different approach. We now look forward to see where we would like to take our relationship as your most trusted advisor. After an assessment of your current accounting systems, people, and processes, our firm will begin implementation of CAS. The assessment may contain several recommendations that will improve your efficiency and accuracy of financial data and reporting. Not all recommendations may be put into service immediately, but it will act as a guide to where we want to be. The assessment gives you a grade on your current accounting functions, and in 6 months, we should see a significant increase in your score. Our goal is as close to real-time financial statements and data for live decision-making. We will create dashboards and financial statement analysis reports for quick reference and monitoring. With our reporting, your organization can make live budget decisions. We will work to integrate your various processes to reduce manual data entry. As a part of our ongoing services, we will have quarterly advisory meetings with you and your executive leadership team. We know that we can do more to add value to our relationship by going beyond reporting on your organization's historical performance. Our advisory services start with an initial business review. This review uses various diagnostic tools that identify the key challenges and opportunities in your organization, forming a roadmap as to how we proceed in achieving your objectives. From there, we will begin a strategic planning process that will use our now, where, how method, culminating in a simple and actionable one-page plan. We implement a continuous improvement mindset with quarterly coaching and accountability. Throughout the process, we'll use various tools, ad hoc meetings, and workshops to train and develop your team. Some of the topics and tools we use are sustainable competitive advantage analysis, strategic SWOT analysis, force field analysis of strategies, one-page plan updates, financial ratio analysis, waste audits, profit improvement workshop, time management, leadership training and development. As discussed earlier, to get where we want to be, we will start off by performing the assessment. The assessment focuses on people, processes, and systems. Next, we will begin the implementation phase. We will discuss this further in the next slide. Following the implementation is the beginning of monthly services. We will launch our monthly services described in more detail in the engagement letter. The fees are billed and due before services begin. After 6 months, we will reevaluate and determine if any more recommendations need to be made. Sometimes a different level of service may be required or requested. As you get more comfortable with our firm managing your accounting needs and functions, you may be eager to free up even more time by upgrading to the next level of service. Once the assessment is complete, we begin the implementation process. For full integration and implementation, we usually expect 2 to 3 weeks. In most cases, you can continue working within 1 to 2 days. It may only take a week for conversion, but with most changes in processes, we like to overestimate the time frame rather than underestimate it. The steps we take to implement our cloud-based accounting system are: 1. Evaluating and reorganization your chart of accounts. 2. Decide on a class and location tracking. 3. Choosing a conversion date. And finally, then converting your current accounting system to the cloud-based system. Once converted, we would then link your bank and credit card accounts for automated data entry. We may recommend changing certain systems to increase the efficiency and benefits to the organization. Systems such as your current payroll vendors, accounts receivable software, and how you process your payables. These changes may add some fees. However, we will look into their costs versus the benefits before we recommend any changes. At BKMpc Certified Public Accountants, we believe that technology offers us a new and better way of doing business. For us, we are able to serve our clients all over the country without the limitations of brick and mortar buildings. We can have a personal touch even though we may be separated by state lines. For our clients, we can help you move as fast as technology can take us. Innovations with online meetings, cloud-based accounting systems, online portals, and document storage give you a CPA firm that is both attentive to your needs and always nearby. Our client accounting and advisory services help you have as close to real-time financial data as possible for making real-time financial decisions. Our business advisory services keep you on a path of continuous improvement that will keep your competitors on their toes. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short presentation. We really hope to hear from you.